How to sign up for the Constant Contact Affiliate Program. Hey guys, if you're interested in affiliate marketing and looking to earn a commission by promoting email marketing service, you're in the right place. Today we are going to guide you through the process of signing up for the Constant Contact Affiliate Program. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the sign up process, let's briefly introduce Constant Contact. Constant Contact is a popular email marketing platform used by businessmen to create and send emails. Their affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by referring customers to their services. Before you get started, make sure you have a blog, website, or social media platform where you plan to promote Constant Contact, your basic contact information, a PayPal account for receiving commission. If you don't have one, create it beforehand. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. Then you need to click on apply now. Here you need to read the affiliate agreement, read it carefully, then click on I accept. Now it's time to provide your information. Start by entering your account details including your name, address and a strong password. In this section, you'll provide additional account information such as your company name, website URL, phone and address. Constant Contact offers various payment methods. Select your preferred payment method and provide the necessary details. Typically, they pay affiliates through PayPal. Now in this section, share how you plan to promote Constant Contact. Mention your website, social media channel or any other platform you intend to use for promotion. Then take a moment to read Constant Contact Affiliate Program terms and conditions. Ensure you understand and agree to them before proceeding. Once you have filled out all the required information and agree to its terms, click on sign up. Your application will be reviewed by Constant Contact and they will notify you via email once you are approved. This process may take some time, so please be patient. Once you are approved, you will gain access to your affiliate dashboard. Here you can access promotional materials and unique affiliate links to start promoting Constant Contact and earning commission. Congratulations, you are now signed up for the Constant Contact Affiliate Program. Remember to create valuable content and employ effective marketing strategies to maximize your earning. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more affiliate marketing tips. Thanks for watching and happy affiliate marketing.